Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel for ACCA FR exam prep. My name is Adam. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make adjustments for cost of sales, revenue, and gross profit. Now let's look at the question. Starting with the requirement, what would be the cost of sales? Cost of sales in Viagem's consolidated statement of profit or loss for the year ended 30th September 2014. Now, on 1st January 2014, so reconcile that to the year end gives me 9 months. 9 months since acquisition. Now, Viagem acquired 80%, so you should know NCI is 20% of the equity share capital of Greeka. So extra from P&L, I have revenue, I have cost of sales. Then it says that sales from Viagem to Greeka throughout the year ended had constantly been 800,000 per month. That's the intra-group sales. So Viagem had a markup on cost of 25% on this good on these sales. Greeka had 1.5 million of these in inventory, so I know I need to calculate PURP. So for the purpose of this question, what I will do, even though we are going to find the cost of sales, I want to just build up the extract. So let's say this is consolidated P&L. So you build in your spreadsheet revenue. So your revenue should be 64. So we have 64,600 plus, then you bring the subsidiary 38,000. So here 38,000 by your time apportion, which is 9/12. So we have 3 zeros up there. Just not to close it because there's intra-group sale we do an adjustment for, and we bring the cost of sales. So I'll use the workings. So maybe this is workings 2. So for my workings 2, which is the requirement actually, so cost of sales. So this is also in thousands. So what I'll do is to say as per question. So I'll go up and pick the values. I had 51,226. So let me show that 51,200 plus 26,000, and this should be time apportion 9/12. So let's check that. 26,000 times 9 divided by 12 plus 51,200. That should give us 7,700. Then we say less intra-group sales. And the intra-group sale was 800 per month, and the post-acquisition period was 9 months. So 800 times 9, that gives us 7,200. We have to deduct it. So when we are doing the revenue, you can come here and say 7,200 and put against it working is what? 2. So we can consolidate the revenue very fast when you are using the spreadsheet. So subsequent videos, I'll use spreadsheet to work some of these calculations for you to see how you can do it. Now 64,600. All right, let me do the bracket first. 38,000 times 9 divided by 12 times 9 divided by 12 plus 64,600 minus 7,200. That gives me 85,900. Now I can build up on the cost of sales on the basis that these are the only item we have. Then it means we have to pick the unrealized profit. and the value of the sales was 1.5. So, and 25% markup. So we have to change it to margin. So we are adding. So we add. You remember we add unrealized profit, and that is 1,500 times 25 over 125. So 25 divided by 125 times 1,500. That gives us 300. So if you add this, so 7,700 minus 7,200 plus 300, that should give us 63,800. So this was the requirement actually. So 63,800 is 63. This is 63.8 million because of the 3 zeros we put up there. So from the option, this should be option C, 63,800. But because I want to also demonstrate to you the build up on the pro forma, I'll bring 63,800 here and deduct it from this. That will give me the consolidated gross profit. So 85,900 from the 63,800 taken from 85,900, that gives you 22,100. So I hope these very short illustration helps you to understand the concept of time apportionment and also how we deal with it, how we deal with intra-group sale and also the unrealized profit. I hope this helps you in your preparation for your FR exam. Please subscribe to this channel to receive updates on new videos.